Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where innovation meets insight. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of laptops, unraveling features that will redefine the way you work and play. So, buckle up for a journey through cutting-edge technology. Let's jump right into the future of computing. Ready? Let's roll.
Number 5.
First up, we have the OTVOC Laptop, a 15.6-inch powerhouse running on an Intel 11th Gen quad-core processor. Boosting your productivity with 16GB RAM and a lightning-fast 512GB PCIe SSD, this Windows 11 marvel is a game-changer. Immerse yourself in the stunning visuals on the 15.6-inch FHD IPS screen. No matter where you are, the 400 nit brightness ensures clarity, while the blue light filter keeps your eyes protected. Worried about power? Fear not. With an 8 to 10 hour average running time and a smart fan design, the OTVOC laptop keeps up with your hustle. Stay cool and carry on, whether at work or on a business trip.
Number 4.
Now, let's dive into the Dreamer Laptop PC, a masterpiece designed for both work and play. Boasting 8GB RAM and a spacious 512GB SSD, this laptop delivers power and elegance in one sleek package. Get ready to be captivated by the 13.3-inch 2.5K IPS screen. With a perfect 16:10 ratio and a resolution of 2920 by 1200, every image comes to life, offering a visual feast for your eyes. Stay connected effortlessly with 5G plus 2.4G dual Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. Whether you're streaming, video conferencing, or just browsing, this laptop ensures a fast and stable networking experience.
Number 3.
Now, let's unfold the KUU Yepbook Laptop Computer, a true marvel in performance and design. Featuring the 11th Celeron N5095 processor and Windows 11, this laptop delivers power and efficiency in every task. Immerse yourself in the vibrant visuals of the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The backlit full-size keyboard adds a touch of sophistication, making your typing experience both stylish and comfortable. Designed for those on the move, the KUU Yepbook is ultra-thin and portable. With a rich array of interfaces, including USB 3.0, HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, it adapts to your versatile needs.
Number 2.
Last but not least, we have the TUHUI Laptop Computer. Packed with an Intel Celeron N5095 processor, 16GB RAM, and a spacious 512GB SSD, it's a powerhouse for everyday work. Get lost in the 15.6-inch high-resolution screen. Perfect for work or play, it's a visual treat that complements your lifestyle. And there you have it, a lineup of laptops designed for every need. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply appreciates great tech, these laptops have you covered. Upgrade your digital experience today. For more details, check the links in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and may your tech journey be nothing short of extraordinary.
Number 1.
Meet the SAINTDISE Laptop Computer, a fusion of lightweight design and unstoppable power. Weighing in at just 3.3 pounds, it's your perfect companion for business travel, daily tasks, and beyond. But what sets this laptop apart? Security meets sophistication with the Touch ID fingerprint unlocking. Bid farewell to passwords and embrace a seamless, modern way to unlock your device. Need ample storage? SAINTDISE has you covered with a whopping 16GB LPDDR4 and a generous 512GB SSD. Say goodbye to the days of compromising on space or speed. Stay connected effortlessly with dual-band Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2. Experience faster data transmission, stable performance, and the freedom to connect with your favorite devices. Thin, sleek, and ready to go. The SAINTDISE laptop combines style with portability. It's not just a device, it's an extension of your lifestyle, making every task a breeze. Enhance your data security with 3 unlocking methods: PIN code, password, and the futuristic Touch ID.